Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to enable remind me to take a break on YouTube function, and now let's dive right in. Now to enable the remind me to take a break on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app, and on this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see the U button available for us just beside the subscriptions. Tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and when this opens guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see the settings or the gear icon available for us at the top right. Tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner, and when you open this interface guys, you can see the general option available for us just above the account. Tap on general, and you can see guys here it says remind me to take a break. This is the alarm system by YouTube to remind you to take a break. Now to enable it, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of it, and you can see guys it says reminder frequency. How much of a reminder do you want, on 1 hour or 2 hour or 3 hours? Let's go for say 2 hours. I'll be doing that, and tap on OK. Now every 2 hours YouTube will remind you to take a break on YouTube itself. And guys, this is how to enable remind me to take a break function on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.